When I got shingles, I also got very, very lucky. Much luckier, in fact, than many people who get shingles, and especially my poor brother who had it for 8 long months. He suffered terribly, but he also found out how to make sure it never happened again, which is what helped me when I got it. As a result, my shingles came and went quickly with almost no discomfort. I suffered none of its common complications, and unlike many other people, I believe I'm unlikely to ever have it again. But let me quickly get to the point here because time is of the essence. If you have shingles now, it's vital you act quickly if you're to be sure that this unpleasant illness doesn't turn into a years-long disaster. So my brother was 58 when he first got shingles. He was a tough guy, worked in construction, fit, strong, good-humored, but after 4 days of shingles, he had faded to a shadow of himself. I'd never heard of the illness at that time, but I saw firsthand what it can do to a person. My brother described so vividly the unbearable itching, the skin so sensitive that he couldn't even let his clothes touch it, that I could almost feel my own skin tingling. He wasn't sleeping. There was no comfortable position for him. The intense itching, the hot pain, and chronic tiredness was grinding him down. He was worn out, miserable, and struggling to just get through the day. He couldn't work, so he couldn't earn. He applied creams and ice packs as per his doctor's instructions, but improvement was slow and frustrating. But here's where it got really bad for my brother. After 3 weeks, the scabs across his body were finally drying up and starting to heal. We all believed his shingles was finally healing itself. Yet while the itching had reduced, for some reason he was still in a lot of pain. His doctor was concerned, but told him he'd have to wait and see how things played out. They didn't play out well at all, because for more than 8 months after the final shingles scab had cleared, my brother experienced searing pain every single day. There was little let-up and only limited relief from painkillers. Those months were, to put it bluntly, absolute hell for him. He experienced savage pain day after day for nearly 250 days in a row. It was with him on his birthday, his wedding anniversary, Thanksgiving, throughout all of Christmas and well into the new year. And yet, as we later discovered, his 8 months of suffering is not uncommon. This is why his doctor had been worried. There's a name for this specific affliction, postherpetic neuralgia, or PHN for short. Postherpetic neuralgia, PHN, is the single most common complication of shingles. It's absolute agony. Most sufferers agree that it is easily worse than the shingles that led to it. PHN is constant, unrelenting, searing nerve pain. You can do almost nothing to get comfort. My brother is 6 feet tall, 185 pounds of mostly muscle, and he's worked in some of the toughest working conditions known, and smiled and laughed his way through it all. Yet all the while he had this PHN, I often saw tears in his eyes. It was that awful. Not in a million years could I ever imagine my brother crying, and yet there he was. The initial shingles attack, while deeply unpleasant, was a cakewalk compared to the horrors of PHN. My brother's PHN ended after 8 months, possibly only because of something he did about a week before it ended. And this is something you'd really want to know about, and I'll explain it in a second. But when the PHN did clear up, we thought this whole horrible business was finally over. What else could happen now? Something else did happen. Just when you think you're in the clear. 11 months later, my brother had shingles again. We looked at him as he told us the news, and we were totally lost for words. That didn't matter, though, because he had something to say to us. He told us this time it's going to be different. This time he was going to save himself from the misery of everything that had happened before. First, that afternoon he went to the doctor. My brother respected doctor's knowledge, even though it hadn't helped him last time. But second, and this was where things would be different this time, he was going to take matters into his own hands, too. His first experience of postherpetic neuralgia, PHN, had been awful. Doctors had been unable to help, and he had just had to wait it out. As the pain and exhaustion had worn him down, he'd looked for other ways of addressing the misery, and he got hold of a shingles treatment program from a natural health practitioner called Julissa Clay. Julissa's program was called the Shingles Solution. The Shingles Solution has a very solid reputation and tens of thousands of delighted followers. Julissa Clay herself is a celebrated and highly respected natural health practitioner who specializes in resolving some of the world's worst illnesses. My brother isn't really into natural remedies, but he'd been in that much pain he was willing to step outside the box in search of something to end the misery. One problem, he'd got hold of the program way too late. He'd had painful PHM for more than 7 months at that point. Ideally, you start to follow the program's guidance in the first days of shingles while you still got the scabs and itching, not 7 months later when shingles is a distant memory and you're in daily agony with PHN. But the pain wasn't letting up, so he just did everything the program told him to do. Incredibly, just about a week later, the PHN had melted away. It had faded from about the 3rd day and disappeared completely by the 8th. My brother was disbelieving, relieved, grateful. His doctor was happy for him, but couldn't explain it. She admitted some natural remedies do work very well where medicine had failed. But now, 11 months later, here he was at the start of a second attack of shingles, and if my brother knew anything, he knew he wasn't going to go through PHN again. Confession time. He told us something, though, that we didn't know. He said that this program had been easy to follow, and clearly it worked, but once his PHN cleared, he'd not bothered to keep up with its simple instructions. And that mattered a lot. Why? Because one of the program's strongest benefits was that it not only resolved itching and pain during shingles, it not only avoided PHN after shingles, it also took away the causes of shingles ever occurring again. He should have stuck with it after the pain had ended. He wouldn't have shingles again if he had, and he knew it. Getting it right this time. This time he did it right from day one. He followed the instructions in Julissa Clay's program to the letter, and his experience of shingles was dramatically different. This time, itching was minimal and infrequent. Nerve pain was mild and lasted days instead of weeks. He suffered none of the fatigue of last time. He didn't lose any sleep. He was able to continue going to work. He endured fewer scabs, and they cleared quickly, mostly without scarring. And when all this was clear, about 15 days later, he didn't have even a hint of PHN. No mistakes this time. And this time he didn't make the mistake he'd made last time. This time he maintained the changes, and 7 years later he's not had even a whisper of shingles. In fact, he believes that the virus that caused it has died out completely. Now all this is good and well, but it wouldn't be reason for me to be writing to you today if that was the end of it. Once again, it wasn't the end of it. But here's the twist in the tale. 6 months ago it was me who had shingles. I went to bed fine. I woke up very much not fine. But at least I knew what it was, and I knew what to do. My first call was to my doctor. My second was to my brother. Brother, send me that program. Send it now. He did, and I did exactly what the program told me. I followed the guidance to the letter. I cut no corners, took no chances, and I saw my shingles out in just 15 days, which has to be some sort of world record. But more than that, and I thank my stars for this, I never suffered post-herpetic neuralgia, PHN. The possible weeks, months, or years of intense nerve pain, sleepless nights, and very low moods were what I was most scared of. I'd seen my brother suffer it all, and I'd read about other people's experience of PHN, and I wanted more than anything to avoid that. And I did avoid it. All of it. What the Shingles Solution did for me. The program did 4 things for me. These are essential for anybody suffering shingles right now. They were crucial to my quick and full recovery. 1. The program cleared up my shingles scabs in record time. They dried quickly and cleared with virtually no scarring. 2. It reduced the itching to almost nothing and ensured I had almost no pain at all. Shingles for me was almost a background feeling. It didn't affect my day-to-day life at all. 3. The program stopped me suffering post-herpetic neuralgia, PHN, a fate I absolutely dreaded. I was probably most glad about this. When my shingles went, there were no PHN complications afterwards. 4. It is ensured that my first attack of shingles was my last attack of shingles. Even though I was able to minimize my shingles experience, I certainly didn't want it a second time. I had shingles for less than half the time most other people have it, and I suffered 0 after effects. If you have to have shingles, this is the way you want to have it. And do be clear about this. There's nothing unusual about the outcome I enjoyed. I wasn't some rare lucky person. Put plainly, thousands of people with shingles take this natural, evidence-based approach to their illness and get well quickly, with minimal pain and no after effects. Others trust drugs and pharmaceuticals only and take their chances. That, as my brother found out, can end very badly. How I avoided shingles horror. Let me tell you how Julissa Clay's program achieves what it does, and you'll see for yourself. You're possibly aware that shingles is caused by the varicella zoster virus. Remember chickenpox? The varicella zoster virus has been with you since you got rid of that illness, which was possibly decades ago. Our immune systems beat and then suppress the virus so that it no longer harms us. However, the virus still lies dormant in our nerve cells. Our immune system keeps it in check so that it does us no further harm. However, if the immune system falters, the varicella zoster virus reactivates, and shingles is the result. Most people had chickenpox when they were young. They therefore carry the varicella zoster virus. Many never go on to get shingles. Their immune system wins out, and varicella zoster remains dormant for life, never getting the chance to resurface. Many others do get the illness. Millions every year, in fact. I'm one of those people. You are too. Basically, our immune system fought a losing battle and the virus has run rampant throughout the nervous system. If you're suffering right now, I don't need to describe the consequences of this. But as you now realize, it's not only the suffering we go through in the first 4 to 6 weeks that causes problems. The mix of weakened immune system and a system-wide attack on nerves is very dangerous. Shingles leads to complications, with intensely painful PHN its most common complication. But the illness can also spread throughout the nervous system, attacking organs and causing brain and nerve damage. There are potentially deadly complications, which include a heightened risk of tumors, poorly controlled blood sugars, degenerative brain disease, leaky gut, metabolic syndrome, heart disease, and liver disease. We need to beat this illness while we have it. Right now, in other words. We need to ensure it doesn't result in ongoing nerve damage and the ravages of PHN. And we want to be absolutely sure that this time is the last time we suffer the illness. Acting too slowly or not taking advantage of the best guidance for beating shingles can be a health disaster. How long can post-herpetic neuralgia, PHN, last? What's truly frightening about PHN is that it can last as little as a few weeks, but as much as years. So 4 to 6 weeks of painful, exhausting shingles isn't necessarily the end of the story. In fact, for too many people, it's the start of something truly horrific. PHN can last months or years. Out of every 100 people who get shingles, 2 of them will suffer PHN for 5 years. Having seen my brother nearly crushed by it over 8 months, I understand why people who suffer its unrelenting pain for years often end up with serious mental health challenges. Each time you have shingles, you run a real risk of PHN straight afterwards, which is one of the strongest reasons I can think of to absolutely not want the illness a second time. And how many times can you get shingles? One thing worse than getting shingles is getting it again. In the U.S., Harvard's own researchers have concluded that your chances of getting shingles a second time is about the same as your chances of getting it the first time. That's terrible news if you're already in the middle of your first attack. Other facts about shingles aren't exactly comforting. If you had a bad first case of shingles, or if you're a woman, or if you're currently over the age of 50, you have a measurably higher chance of getting shingles a second time. So if you're over 50, or intending to eventually be over the age of 50, your risks are rising with each passing year. If you've got shingles right now, well, prepare yourself for another hit in due course. And brace yourself for the real possibility that the second one will be measurably worse than this first one. Except, it no longer has to be like this. We now know a reliable and effective way around all this. Julissa Clay's The Shingles Solution has been quietly beating shingles at its own game for years now. Tens of thousands of people who started with shingles have followed Julissa's guidance. They've had a very different experience to the usual horror stories. Far less itching, little to almost no pain at all. Very fast recovery from the initial attack. No PHN afterwards, and no repeat of the disease. Why this works. The weakness of the standard medical approach to shingles is that they focus heavily on reducing the symptoms of the disease and not nearly enough on obliterating its causes, which means all too often they suppress the effects of the illness but leave its underlying cause in place. So, in effect, you remain ill even when it seems on the surface that things are being managed. The shingles solution doesn't make this mistake. The cause of shingles is a weakened immune system. Therefore, the program focuses entirely on returning your immune system to its full strength. So the program did give me very effective remedies to quickly end the terrible itching and pain of shingles, but it also did something vitally important for my long-term health. It completely rejuvenated my immune system, and because of that, I suffered significantly less and for a much shorter time while I actually had shingles. My body fought off shingles and the fatigue, the joint pain, the itching, and the intense pain in double time. I suffered absolutely no after effects, PHN being the one I feared most. And I don't expect to ever get shingles again, so no fear of going through all this ever again. The program is a complete response to shingles. It powerfully treats the illness while you've got it, and you definitely need some relief while you have the illness. But it also protects you from even worse complications and the possibility of it coming back again. This is how it works. A weakened immune system let the virus get the upper hand. That's why we get shingles. A strong immune system, capable of handling whatever comes its way, is the only response to this disease. Shingles is considered a lifestyle disease. After all, an immune system doesn't just become weaker for no reason. There's a cause. And the cause is specific lifestyle habits that compromise the immune system, meaning it's no longer strong enough to hold off the virus. Undo what you're doing that is weakening your immune system, and you once again have a strong immune system. None of this is magic. Every single piece of information and guidance in Julissa's program has years of scientific and research evidence behind it, all verified at university and research institutions across the world. The shingles solution is hard science applied to a distressing and painful disease in a practical, straightforward, and completely natural way. And it has absolutely fantastic outcomes. What is the shingles solution? For all its power, Julissa Clay's The Shingles Solution is a simple plan delivered in 2 straightforward phases over just 4 weeks. Each phase comes with a daily instruction sheet. I knew what to do and when to do it. No guesswork, just do it and feel the change. The first 7 days are a little more strict than the rest of the plan, but that's because we want to quickly see the end of the fever, itching, pain, and fatigue that accompanies the disease. We adjust back to a more relaxed protocol as soon as you feel better. But as a result of these gentle changes, I enjoyed powerful benefits. I got quick, lasting relief from the itching pain I had been suffering from the onset of the illness. My immune system became much stronger, so shingles just couldn't reactivate again. My body was able to remove cells from throughout my body that had been corrupted by the virus. My body was able to repair all those damaged nerve endings. The immunity boost I got reduced the chances of me ever getting liver disease, heart disease, or stroke. It also protects me against degenerative brain disease, and it acts strongly against brain inflammation, nerve damage, paralysis, and chronic pain. Why a natural approach rather than pharmaceutical drugs? Our bodies operate powerful natural health systems specifically designed to keep you well. Healthy is your body's natural state. It becomes ill because of what we do to it. Make small beneficial changes and you go back to your body's preferred healthy state. Remember, we get shingles from a weakened immune system, and that system didn't weaken on its own. We did things that caused it. By reversing what we did, our immune system comes back online, strong, powerful, and able to fight off all kinds of affliction, including shingles. Note something important here. It wasn't pharma's drugs or meds that caused the illness, so why would those things remedy it? If we behaved our way into shingles, then we can behave our way out of it. This is exactly what the Shingle Solution showed me, and it worked. What is in the program? There are several strands to Juliss's The Shingle Solution. One of them is, of course, food. Food is nutrition. Specific foods prevent illness, repair the body's varied structures, and ensure that internal processes run properly to keep us fit and alive. Other foods cause illness, damage the body, and prevent those internal processes from keeping us in best possible shape. Of course, when you're in the midst of a shingles attack and you want rid of it quickly, you sure as heck don't want PHN, and you want to ensure you absolutely never get shingles again. Your nutrition has to be spot on. Fortunately, eating well to treat shingles isn't especially restrictive. I found myself eating most of the foods I used to eat. It's more a case of eating less of the few things that definitely won't help you manage shingles and more of the things that strongly fight off the illness. But knowledge is key here. We can't use just any healthy eating plan. For example, there are foods you love that you fear you'll have to reduce. You'll be happily surprised to discover that actually it's okay to consume them. There are a few foods generally considered healthy that you should actually eat less of, which surprised me when I first learned it. Very occasionally, there are critical changes you simply have to make. There can be no dilly-dallying because certain foods are very bad for you in the first weeks of shingles, and others are extremely helpful to you. We want none of the bad and lots of the good, at least for a few weeks. And again, proper knowledge is crucial here. For example, there is a particular food nutrient that sometimes is your best defense against shingles, but other times it directly feeds the shingles virus, making it as bad as it can be. Knowing how best to use it is straightforward, and it's a key weapon in the fight against shingles. On the other hand, there's a specific food ingredient that is proven time and again to feed unwanted organisms in the body, which leads them to generate inflammation throughout the body, ruining our immune system. To ensure our current attack of shingles ends quickly and without after effects absolutely requires that we get this ingredient out of our diet immediately. And so on. None of this is difficult, and the program lays it all out for you so you can just follow without worrying about the scientific details behind it. But if you're going to avoid PHN and future recurrences of shingles, you must get this right. Day by day does it. There are simple daily habits you can incorporate into your life that not only support the fight against shingles right now, but which crucially make any future recurrence extremely unlikely. Your damaged immunity system is what permitted the shingles virus to reactivate. There are reasons why your immune system is damaged. An important reason is related to nutrition, as already described. But a critical cause of immunity weakness is underlying tiredness and background stress, which can measurably destroy a person's health, and this can't be overemphasized. Now, on first reading this, I thought, I sleep like a lamb. I'm one of the least stressed people anyone knew. Ask anyone who knew me and they'd have said the same. I quickly found out just how wrong I was. Turns out that sleep on its own isn't enough. We need deep, rejuvenating sleep that reboots a worn-out immune system and allows it to become strong again. The recuperative powers of deep sleep are said by many doctors to be better than some medicines. And stress comes in many forms. Perhaps you recognize some of these in your life. Physical stresses and aches in the body, mental or emotional stresses and worries, work pressures and concerns, family matters, being too busy to fully wind down, and so on. All these work in the background, suppressing the immune system and so allowing the virus to come back to life. Stress is especially dangerous because so many people have been suffering it for so long they don't even notice it's there anymore. It's become normalized to the point that we simply don't feel it. In the days after following Julissa Clay's sleep and stress advice, I not only slept more deeply than I ever had in my life, I also felt an almost religious sense of peace come over me. It's hard to describe, but wonderful to experience. Fueling the body properly through exactly the right foods and giving it the deep restorative rest it needs literally transforms a person's ability to defeat shingles. Suddenly, having access to what it needs gives your body a burst of healing that you can almost feel happening. Months after defeating shingles, I am still more refreshed and relaxed than I have ever been in my entire life. Shingles doesn't stand a chance. There's a number of small, everyday habits that lead to a suppressed immune system, and therefore to shingles. These are normal habits, things that most humans do. The good news is that each of these unhelpful habits has a perfectly natural, perfectly sensible remedy, which the shingles solution explains. Added together, the effect of the shingles solution is to treat the illness you currently have and its itching, pain, and fatigue quickly so that you can get the relief you so badly need. Following the program's simple guidance keeps us from agonizing PHN and a repeat of the whole nasty illness later on. The bonus, but it also makes your immune system bulletproof, ensuring that anything that an immune system could possibly fight off is something that your immune system can fight off. So this is not just a recipe for freedom from shingles. It offers us freedom from dozens of diseases that a malfunctioning immune system and the chronic inflammation that comes with it typically give rise to. And given that immunity and inflammation conditions include heart disease, liver disease, blood sugar imbalances, tumors, and metabolic disease, I certainly feel I've done myself a huge favor by taking care of this aspect of my health. What about you? So where are you in your shingles journey? If it's full-blown or in its early days, then timing is everything. Quickly removing from your life factors that damage your immune system pays huge dividends, fast. Adding to your lifestyle simple habits that enhance your immune system and cause it to ramp up a level boosts that life-giving effect. In short, the body is quick to reward us when we take care of it. Time is of the essence. Catching the disease as quickly as possible pays off in ways you have to feel to believe. Tackle your condition now. Don't let intense itching or burning pain ruin the next month of your life. But especially don't leave yourself open to the agony of months, but possibly years, of postherpetic neuralgia. PHN is one of the most cruel and most painful afflictions known. I saw my brother suffering. There's nothing he wouldn't have risked to put an end to it. Get the shingles solution now. The program is fully guaranteed. Do it for yourself. Few diseases get better on their own. Shingles is no exception. But with standard treatments, over-focusing on symptoms rather than homing in on the underlying ongoing causes of the illness, we run unacceptable risks with postherpetic neuralgia and then a repeat attack of shingles later. I prevented my shingles from turning into a trauma by addressing those natural underlying causes. I can't tell you how glad I am that I did. The shingles attack itself ended up quite mild, faded quickly, and I didn't suffer any complications afterwards. Protect yourself. Address shingles where it's actually caused, and literally feel the difference. The shingles solution isn't just for you. My brother got this program and passed it on to me. You would do the same for a loved one. Everyone you know who has had chickenpox which amounts to 99% of everyone you know, is at risk of shingles. 1/3 of Americans get it in the end. When you've made yourself well, you'll be glad you can pass on the knowledge. Look after yourself and look after the people you love. Get your copy of The Shingles Solution now.